Importance of clean beach. There are a lot of importance of clean beach. First is beach protect residents living near the ocean by serving as a buffer against the high winds and wave of powerful storms and help driving economic activity that is important to the nearby communities. Second, providing permanent habitats for various plants and animals. Third, beaches are a vital feeding ground for birds and terrestrial wildlife. Fourth, beach is a sensitive environment that supports numerous plants and animals. Lastly, beaches are an essential part of humans' life. In addition to the range of recreational activities, they can also play a role in mitigating climate change.
Effect rubbish have on beach. Marine litter can damage benthic environments, cause a loss of biodiversity, and lead to a reduction in overall ecosystem function. Causes of marine pollution: human waste and sewage water that has been partially treated or untreated goes into the ocean. This is called garbage dumping and is one of the world's leading causes of ocean pollution. Heavy rains and floods wash trash and debris into the waters. Plastic litter in particular is estimated to lead to the mortality, either directly or indirectly, of 1 million seabirds, 100,000 marine mammals, including 30,000 seals, and 100,000 turtles globally every year, either through entanglement or ingestion. So, what can we do to help reduce the trash? Firstly, dispose of trash properly in waste and recycling receptacles. Bring an extra bag with you so that you can bring your trash home if receptacles are not available. If your children use diapers, be sure to dispose them properly in a receptacle. If you are fishing at the beach, be sure to collect and dispose of any broken or used fishing line.
The first 3 R's is reduce. Reduce means to cut back on the amounts of trash we generate. Reducing is simply creating less waste. It is the best method for keeping the environment clean, so it is the first of the 3 R's. By reducing, you stop the problem at the source. Making less waste to begin with means there is less waste to clean up. Next is reuse. Reuse means to find new ways to use things that otherwise would have been thrown out. Reusing is taking all or unwanted items you might otherwise throw away and find a new use for them. Lastly is recycle. Recycle means to turn something old and useless like plastic milk jugs into something new and useful like picnic bench, playground equipment, and recycling bins. Recycling is the last and the most commonly used of the 3 R's, and it changing discarded materials into new products in order to avoid using the more virgin resources.
Next, things we can do to help our beach clean. So first, pick up trash when we see it and dispose it properly. This is all about educate ourselves. When we know why and how the ocean get polluted, we will do it voluntarily. So the best way to begin our ocean advocacy is to know the how and why. Second, organize the volunteer in a beach clean up campaign. This is a great way to call on local people in our area, including friends, strangers, and local schools, to help beautify the area and teach positive habits when it comes to maintaining a clean beach. Third, spread the words on the importance of clean beach. We need to educate the people by giving them knowledge and information about the importance of a clean beach. And lastly, donate to the ocean charity. People who do not live near an ocean can help by giving donation to the research charity. In addition to donating to clean up charity, there are also ways to give money to research effort, conservation group, and educational foundation. Lastly, things we can do as a student to reduce waste production. So first, avoid single-use food and drink containers and utensils. We can bring our own food and drink container when buy food at the cafe. Second, use reusable grocery bags and not just for groceries. You can always keep a couple of grocery bags in your backpack so you don't forget them. This means that if you must buy something unexpected, you don't have to use plastic bag to carry the item home. Third, use a reusable bottle or cup for beverage on the go. Nowadays, there are many fashionable and environmental friendly cups to buy. This kind of method is better in save our environment. And last, purchase wisely and recycle. We need to avoid any waste from the purchase by recycle the item into other product. For example, as a student, we can use plastic bottle as a pen holder. Here, we can reduce the plastic waste.